Want to share your BlueSky social profile with friends on WhatsApp? It's easy and takes just a few seconds. Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share BlueSky social profile link on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the BlueSky social app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then tap on the Share option. Here you'll have to copy the link to your profile. Next, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to share your profile link. This could be an individual or a group chat. In the message box, paste the copied link or tap and hold to bring up the paste option. Once it's pasted, just hit the send button. And there you have it, your BlueSky social profile link is now shared on WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.